Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. Again, as always, a very warm welcome from me. If you remember, in the previous session we listed the permissions of our groups so that we will be able to see the permissions of our group on a list. We showed the permissions and added them manually to the test groups. As an example, through the Django admin, we gave or wrote added two permissions that are not in the groups when we hit the edit perms. Now, in this session, there are a few things that we are going to work with. First of all, we want to make these sections of the site dynamic so that we can add or remove the permissions. But first, let's see, we need to remove the present permissions, that is, remove permissions from our group. Alright, first I need to make a function for removing. I make a copy from this one. I call it groups underline perms underline del, and at the end I say return redirect to the groups.perms function. Okay. Let's see, and then we need the name as well, right? Let's see what else we need beside the name. Here we need the name of the group that we want to delete, and we are going to need another name for permission. So here to delete we get a name, the group name, and a normal name, which is our permission. And here I need to say name equals gname, the name of the group, to redirect to this page, named group, which is the test group. So I give gname to redirect to this page. Okay, I remove the rest of the command for now. I make the URLs. Let's see, it would be manager. Okay, let's see, delete, this would be delete perm. Okay, we want to delete it. It would be, let's make the link interesting, manager group del perms 1 gname. We are receiving what? And we are receiving a name. The field that we receive a group and a permission name. Alright, that's what we are receiving up to now, and then it needs to connect to the function. We receive the name of the function here. Okay, that's for the link in the groups permission. We can make the permissions here. It needs to connect to delete. Okay, now we need the name of the group. We need to go up on this page where it connects to the groups perms page. Okay, which shows the group's permission. We need to send the name to template to be able to use it. The name of the group, we need to send it to template. Yeah, and here for the function, my gname equals name, the name that we send to template, and the name for the permission. Okay, that's what we are dealing with up to now. It would be, the name of the permission would be cc.name. Now let's refresh. When we hit the refresh button, or when we hit the button, it needs to redirect to this page. Now we need to write the delete codes. So let's do it. At first we need to get the group equals, let's see, dot object dot get, where name of the group equals the gname that we have received, and then we say perms equals what? Permission. Okay, permissions dot objects dot get, where name equals name based on the name field that we are receiving here, and to then we say group dot permissions dot remove. That's right. And then what do we have here? Now we said find a group based on the group name that is received here and get the permission based on its name, and then remove the permission from the group. Let's check and see what we got here. It gave an error. I think we made a mistake. Yeah, mistake. Permission is not defined. Let's see, where did we make a mistake? Let's check the name permission. Okay, it needs to be permission and has no S. Okay, the S is extra, not necessary, and it deleted test 1 and 2 and etc. Now if I refresh the Django admin, there would no longer be any permissions for this group. Okay, test 1 and 2 have been removed now. I have 3 permissions, so I can see them now and I can remove them. That's for deleting the permissions. Mission accomplished. Now on the next level, what we are going to do is to list the permissions, and the admin would be able to give these permissions to the groups by selecting them.